Welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we embark on an exciting journey into the dynamic world of supply chain management. Today we're diving deep into the intricate and fascinating world of supply chain management. We'll explore its complexities and uncover the secrets to mastering this critical business function. We're not just aiming to understand how to operate within a supply chain, but to absolutely crush it, to excel and achieve unparalleled success in this vital field. If you've ever wondered how products seamlessly make their way from virtually anywhere in the world to your doorstep, crossing continents and oceans, it's not magic, despite how miraculous it may seem at times. It's the result of meticulous planning, strategic execution, and efficient supply chain management. And in today's interconnected global economy, it's more critical than ever to understand and optimize these processes. In this video, I'll break down and demystify 15 essential theories, concepts, and frameworks that form the bedrock of effective supply chain strategies. We'll also explore the cutting-edge tools, technologies, and proven techniques that every aspiring and seasoned supply chain manager needs to have in their arsenal. So grab a notepad, sharpen your pencils, and get ready to dive in. Let's get started on this journey to supply chain mastery. Supply chain management theory is the blueprint, the foundational guide, for moving products efficiently and effectively from the initial raw materials all the way through to the end consumer. It's about creating a seamless flow. It's about integrating all the different facets of the supply chain, planning, carefully forecasting demand and aligning resources, sourcing, finding the best suppliers and negotiating favorable terms, manufacturing, optimizing production processes to reduce waste and increase output, inventory, managing stock levels to meet demand without incurring excessive holding costs, warehousing, strategically storing and managing goods in distribution centers, transportation, efficiently moving goods from one point to another, and providing excellent customer service to ensure satisfaction into one seamless process that delivers value to the customer. The key is coordination, ensuring that all these elements work together harmoniously, breaking down silos between departments and functions, so every function and partner, both internal and external, works together towards a common goal. Frameworks like the well-known SCORE model, which provides a standardized language for supply chain processes, lean methodologies, focused on eliminating waste, and agile principles, which emphasize flexibility and responsiveness, help you tailor strategies to your specific business needs and market conditions. Mastering these concepts and applying them effectively lets you optimize the whole system, improving efficiency and reducing costs, not just individual parts, leading to a more resilient and competitive supply chain. In today's interconnected world, supply chains are the lifeblood of global commerce. However, these intricate networks face a multitude of risks from various sources. Natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, and other extreme weather events can disrupt transportation routes, damage infrastructure, and halt production. Political instability, including trade wars, geopolitical tensions, civil unrest, and changes in government regulations, can create uncertainty and barriers to trade. Cyber attacks, which are becoming increasingly sophisticated, can compromise sensitive data, disrupt operations, and cripple entire supply chain networks, and more. These are just a few examples of the many potential disruptions that can impact your supply chain. To effectively manage these risks, you need to identify external factors, such as market volatility, regulatory changes, and supplier performance, internal vulnerabilities including operational inefficiencies, equipment failures and human error, and network risks, the interconnectedness of your supply chain and the potential for cascading failures. Once you've identified these risks, then map your supply chain to spot vulnerabilities and potential weak points. Regularly assess where your single points of failure are, those critical nodes that, if disrupted, could bring your entire operation to a standstill. And crucially, understand your company's risk appetite. How much risk are you willing to accept in pursuit of your business objectives? Proactive risk management, like dual sourcing, establishing relationships with multiple suppliers for key components, or holding safety stock, maintaining a buffer of inventory to cushion against unexpected disruptions, can make all the difference between a minor setback and a catastrophic failure. The best supply chain managers anticipate and prepare, developing robust contingency plans and strategies to mitigate potential risks, not just react when a crisis hits. They build resilience into their supply chains, ensuring business continuity even in the face of adversity. What gets measured gets managed, so track the right KPIs. Focus on metrics like on-time, in-full, OTIF, inventory turnover, cash-to-cash cycle, and customer satisfaction. Align your metrics with your company's strategy: cost, service, or quality. Use tools like the balanced scorecard and dashboards for real-time insights. Good measurement drives continuous improvement and turns your supply chain into a strategic asset. Storage and distribution are about getting goods where they need to go, safely and efficiently. Optimize warehouse layouts, use FIFO for perishables, and ensure safety and security. Design your distribution network for cost, speed, and reliability. Last-mile delivery is often the toughest. Technology like WMS and TMS helps balance cost, speed, and reliability. Most supply chains are global, so understanding international trade is essential. You'll deal with customs, tariffs, trade agreements, and longer lead times. Currency fluctuations and geopolitical risks can impact costs and delivery. Know your Incoterms. They define buyer and seller responsibilities. International trade adds complexity but also huge opportunities. Effective supply chain management means orchestrating planning, sourcing, making, delivering, and returns. Focus on continuous process improvement. Eliminate waste, automate, and streamline. Balance effectiveness, doing the right things with efficiency, doing things right. Strong leadership, communication, and supplier relationships are key. Move beyond transactions. Build true partnerships for resilience and innovation. Use tools like FMEA to identify and prioritize risks in your supply chain. SWOT analysis helps you see strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Risk matrices let you visualize likelihood versus impact, so you know what to tackle first. Scenario planning and stress testing reveal hidden vulnerabilities. Leverage data analytics for early warning and smarter risk decisions. Better forecasting is the foundation. Predict demand to optimize procurement, production, and inventory. Use CPFR with partners for more accurate planning. Optimize inventory. Minimize stock while meeting service targets using JIT ABC analysis and better tracking. Embrace technology. AI, IoT, and automation can transform your operations. Lean out your processes, eliminate waste, and focus on what adds value for the customer. Regular audits and cycle counts keep inventory accurate. Don't just trust the system. Optimize picking and packing with smart layouts and tech like Pick-to-Light. Monitor transportation providers. Set clear service levels and review performance. Manage returns efficiently. Clear policies and dedicated processes are a must. Precision and continuous improvement are the hallmarks of great storage and distribution management. International trade requires robust documentation and compliance. Get your paperwork right or face costly delays. Use customs brokers, but maintain internal checks and stay updated on regulations. Choose payment methods wisely: letters of credit for security, open account for trusted partners. Countertrade, barter, buyback, offset can be useful in special cases but needs expertise. Effective systems and processes are your foundation for smooth global operations. Supply chain strategies must fit your industry. FMCG, automotive, pharma, and aerospace all have unique needs. Use sales and operations planning, S&OP, to align demand, supply, and financial goals. Tailor forecasting models and decision tools to your sector's dynamics. Apply cost-benefit and multi-criteria analysis for complex choices. Adapt your planning and decision-making to your sector's challenges and regulations. Make risk management a routine, not a reaction. Set a clear framework. Define roles, responsibilities, and risk appetite. Standardize procedures for identifying, assessing, and treating risks. Strong communication, regular reporting, and business continuity plans are essential. Modern supply chains run on technology. ERP, SCM, TMS, WMS are core systems. Integrate these tools for seamless data flow and better decision-making. Lean Six Sigma TQM methodologies drive continuous improvement. Advanced analytics, AI, machine learning unlock predictive power and automation. Choose tools that fit your challenges and strategic goals. Manage stores and distribution from end to end. Design your network for optimal cost and service. Use multi-echelon inventory optimization to balance stock across locations. Standardize warehouse processes and synchronize distribution activities. Shared visibility and collaboration keep the whole system running smoothly. Executing international trade means nailing every step: order processing, documentation, customs, and shipping. Get Incoterms and payment terms right from the start. Use customs brokers, but ensure compliance is your responsibility. Track shipments closely and keep meticulous records. Attention to detail and coordination with partners are vital for global success. That's your roadmap to crushing it as a supply chain manager. 15 essential areas to master. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and focus on continuous improvement. Share your challenges and tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.